Hey everyone, it's Miss Kabumba here. Today we're going to figure out how to make Nami's CLIMA TACT budget version for my cosplayers. So, there's me as nami-swan. And here's the real me. Alright, so the first thing I did is I grabbed the stick and I grabbed foam clay and basically just molded it into the shape. And this is me hyped that it's all working out in favor. Hey! You're gonna need paint as the next materials, these foam balls, and modeling clay. Alright, so I put the modeling clay on the foam balls and I shaped it out to be this way. It needs to be dried for like 2 days so it doesn't take up an ugly form. I'm so happy with this so far. Because it's actually looking more like the actual cosplay. Love it, love it, love it. So it just looks so much better now. Oh my goodness. Now we're gonna get into the makeup process. You know how I do. Primer, eyeshadow palettes, foundation, concealer, powder. We're gonna start off with coloring our eyebrows. You don't really need to buy new eyebrow color. Just use eyeshadow. And I'm just filling it in. This is in real time, just seeing how long it took me. It took me about, let's say 30 seconds to fill in one. So let's say 1 minute to fill in both of them. And I'm just talking to the camera, doing my thing, dilly-daddling, in my elements. And now I sped it because, come on, we need to get through this process quick. So this is foundation. Foundation goes before the concealer. But before all of that, you need to wash your face, primer, then it's like foundation, concealer. That's the order I put it in. It's called foundation because it goes first. Come on. And then I kind of blended it out. Yes, I used a huge brush, but guys, this worked for me. And other people would use maybe smaller brushes, but this is what I used. I took off my hair, like baby hair band, and blended out concealer and foundation on the rest of my face so that my whole skin could match. I'm just showing you the process of concealer. Them eyebrows are on fleek. Ode to 2016. So now I'm putting eyeshadow on my eyelids. I did this after putting a little bit of concealer. I put concealer on top because we're doing a cut crease. This is all with the Rude Cosmetic palette. I put the lighter color and I'm adding yellow in there, and bada bing bada boom, nami-swan cosplay. Done by yours truly. Easy budget cosplay. Y'all know you mean the world to me for just clicking on my video. Thank you so much for watching the process it took for me to make my CLIMA TACT. It was fairly simple. You only need a few materials, and seeing my whole makeup look coming together. Official closet cosplayer here. We're not gonna break the bank on our hobbies. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of my weekly uploads. Yes, we're back, baby. We're out of our slump. Thank you once again. Mwah.